squad? Ayun!
Mag-iisa.
Okay. At least may representative.
Okay, 62. What there is not 62.
I think we have the Golden Jubilarian, 63. I understand you have something like 70? Oh, napakarami, ha? Record-breaking yung attendance nyo, ha? You are 90?
90?
Oh, 90! Correction. We have 90 attendees from class 63, the Golden Jubilarian.
Congratulations!
Napakabulan din!
63! Ay, naka-uniform ba? Mukhang naka-uniform ng mapa. Kayo,
Now let's call on 65.
may naka-uniform ng mapa.
Class 1965, Mr. Perry.
From Golden Jubilarian, class 63. Is that correct? Na naka-uniform daw?
Galing
Parang pwede po
naka-uniform
kayo
na sila.
pumunta dito. Come over, please.
Okay, can you come forward, ma'am? To be
Yung mga naka-uniform po ng mga high school.
Palakpakan po natin ang mga naka-uniform ng mapa.
Daming the uniform of Bimapa High School from class 1965.